Welcome to this tutorial on creating a mobile-friendly version of your WordPress website. In this guide, you will be led through a straightforward process that is designed to take just a few minutes. The goal is to help you ensure that your site is accessible and appealing on mobile devices, a critical factor in today's web environment. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once you arrive on the homepage, take a moment to let the page load fully, as the interface displays various options for visitors and administrators alike. At the top right corner of the homepage, you will notice a login option. Click on this login action to move forward into the editing area of the website. After clicking on login, you will be presented with different methods of signing in. For simplicity and ease of access, you should select the option labeled Continue with Google. This streamlined login method allows you to quickly access your account by choosing your preferred Google account from the list presented. If you have the necessary credentials already saved or associated with your browser, the sign-in process should be seamless and secure. Taking advantage of this integration minimizes delays and makes editing your website more efficient. Once logged in, direct your attention to the Quick Links section, which is typically found in a prominent area of the dashboard. In this area, look for a link labeled Edit Site. Clicking on Edit Site transitions you from the basic administrative panel into the site editor, where you can make layout and style changes directly to your website. This is an essential step since you need to access the editing interface to adjust how your website appears on different devices. Now that you are in the site editor, locate the icons at the top right corner of the interface. Among these, you will find an icon that represents a desktop view. Click on this desktop icon to bring up options that allow you to preview and modify the desktop version of your website. Though the focus here is on mobile optimization, switching views is crucial because it enables you to see the differences between various device displays and ensure a cohesive design across platforms. Following the desktop view, the next step is to switch your perspective to mobile. Within the same interface, you will see a mobile icon which is designed to provide a mobile preview of your site. Clicking on this mobile icon will reformat the display, letting you examine how your website appears on smaller screens. As you view your site in mobile mode, take note of the layout, text size, image scaling, and navigation menu. This perspective is invaluable for ensuring that every element of your website is appropriately adjusted for mobile users. By following these detailed steps meticulously, you can efficiently create a version of your site that works well on mobile devices. This mobile-friendly interface not only improves user experience but also benefits your site in search rankings and overall accessibility. With your WordPress website now optimized and easy to navigate for mobile users, you are better positioned to reach a wider audience and offer seamless access wherever your visitors may be browsing from. Enjoy the enhanced design and improved functionality of your mobile-ready website.